Hey, this is the Light, and today I want to show you how to transfer videos or photos from your iPad tablet, from your Android cell phone onto your tablet. So what I previously did was recorded some videos on my phone because it's easier for me to record it on my phone instead of recording it on my tablet. And once I recorded it on my phone, I could not find a way to transfer it to my tablet so that I can edit it. So what I did was recorded the video and I uploaded everything to my drive, which is my Google Drive here. And after I put it on my drive, I still had a difficult time finding out how to download it onto my tablet. So when I pulled it up, I could see all of the videos that I recorded here, but I still had no way of knowing how to get it to download onto my device. So when I'm looking here, there's nothing that instantly says that it's being downloaded into your device. I've tried all of these methods, and I've even made a copy of it, of the documents available offline, but it still doesn't connect these videos directly to my tablet. So what I found out is what you have to do is have a copy of the drives on the device that you want to download the videos onto. So if I'm going from Android to my tablet, I need to have a copy of Google Drives on my phone and on the device I want to download it to. Once I have the program installed on both devices, to get the video onto the new device, I want to click on these three dots here. Let me do that again. Click on those three dots right there. And it's actually not, it's not this one. It's not open online, but it's actually send to, send a copy to. And you see here, all of these options come up. Copy it, add to reading list, save video, save to Pinterest. What you want to click on is save to video. And when you save it to video, it's automatically going to save it to your device. And just so I can show you the proof, when I click on Apple's photo program, which is this pinwheel thing here, you just click on that. And when you click on that, you go to the bottom because the oldest recorded documents is going to be on the top. You go to the bottom and that video is right there. You guys, it took me about 2-3 days to figure this out. Even the videos I searched on YouTube didn't tell that to me. So again, that's it. If you need additional information, just go back and rewind my video. But that's it. That's how you transfer your documents from one device to another. I had difficulty doing like an AirDrop or sending it over Bluetooth. I just was getting all type of issues. So this is the quickest one. Keep it on the net, transfer it through the net, through the app, and from the app, you'll put it onto your device. And again, that's with the, from Google, that's going to be, let me just backtrack to it again. From Google Drive, that's going to be you clicking on the video. I'm sorry, not the video, clicking on those three dots, clicking on send a copy. And from send a copy, you're going to save video, and that's going to be saving it on your device. So when you go to your media on your device, this video will be in there. All right, guys, this is The Light. I thank you for watching, and I'm signing off. Bye.